Our goal in nThought Energy Solutions is to enable seismic experts to leverage the full potential of artificial intelligence to gain the deepest possible understanding in the subsurface from their data for better and much faster decisions. Seismic interpretation was originally done by hand, on paper with colored pencils, by marking in faults, sequences, seismic facies, onlaps, downlaps, and so on. Then along came auto trackers. These usually use the characteristics of seismic wavelets to try to similarity match, and thus track horizons across a survey. In real data, they're very limited, however, in how well they work, and on what data they can be practically applied. The subsurface is often complicated, and many horizons have a limited extent. We're doing things differently. By unleashing the power of artificial intelligence, we use pattern recognition to correlate similar seismic facies, sequences, horizons, faults, or salt. This is much more akin to how humans interpret seismic visually. You can do whole seismic lines, or you can concentrate on intervals, sequences, or reservoirs of interest. Whatever you highlight, the AI will emulate and be able to propagate across a survey. There's a revolution that's starting in the subsurface. Come see what you can do with us.